Imagine Sarah, a single mother of two, who managed to save $10,000 in a year despite earning a modest income. Her secret? Embracing frugal living habits that transformed her financial situation. Frugality is more than just saving money. It's a lifestyle that promotes mindful spending, reducing waste, and making intentional choices. It's about prioritizing long-term financial health over short-term gratification. In this video, you'll discover the top 10 habits of frugal living people that you can adopt to improve your own financial stability. These habits are not just about cutting costs, but about creating a sustainable and fulfilling way of life. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips and inspiring examples to help you start your own journey towards financial freedom through frugality. Number 1. Planning and budgeting. Frugal people meticulously plan their finances and stick to a budget. They understand that knowing where every dollar goes is the foundation of financial stability. By tracking income and expenses, they can make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary spending. Take John, for instance. Struggling with debt, John decided to take control of his finances by creating a detailed budget. He tracked his spending, identified areas to cut back, and allocated funds towards paying off his debt. Within 2 years, he was debt-free and had a growing savings account. To create and maintain a budget, start by listing all your income sources and monthly expenses. Categorize your spending into needs and wants. Use budgeting tools or apps to help you track your expenses. Review your budget regularly and adjust as necessary. Most importantly, stick to your plan and be disciplined in your spending. Number 2. Mindful spending. Frugal people spend money intentionally and avoid impulse purchases. They carefully consider each expenditure, asking themselves if it aligns with their financial goals and values. This mindfulness helps them make thoughtful decisions and avoid unnecessary spending. Consider Lisa, who was tempted to buy a new gadget on sale. Instead of making an impulse purchase, she paused and reflected on whether she truly needed it. Realizing it was more of a want than a need, she decided to wait. A week later, she found that she didn't miss the gadget and was glad she saved the money for more important expenses. To practice mindful spending, always pause before making a purchase and ask yourself if it's a need or a want. Create a 24-hour rule for non-essential items. Wait a day before buying to see if you still want it. Prioritize spending on essentials and long-term investments over fleeting desires. Number 3. Embracing DIY culture. Frugal individuals often prefer to do things themselves rather than paying for services. By embracing a DIY culture, they save money, gain new skills, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating or fixing things on their own. Meet Emma, who wanted to renovate her kitchen but was deterred by the high cost of hiring professionals. She decided to take on the project herself, learning from online tutorials and borrowing tools from friends. By painting cabinets, installing shelves, and updating fixtures on her own, Emma transformed her kitchen for a fraction of the cost and discovered a new passion for DIY projects. For beginners, start with easy DIY projects like painting a room, creating home decor, fixing minor plumbing issues, or making your own cleaning products. Use online resources like videos and blogs for guidance. Always start with small, manageable projects to build confidence and skills before tackling larger tasks. Number 4. Prioritizing quality over quantity. Frugal people prioritize quality over quantity, understanding that investing in high-quality items that last longer can save money in the long run. They avoid cheap, disposable products that need frequent replacement, choosing durable goods that offer better value over time. Consider David, who needed a new pair of shoes. Instead of buying a cheap pair that would wear out quickly, he invested in a high-quality, well-crafted pair. Although the initial cost was higher, these shoes lasted 5 years, outlasting several pairs of cheaper alternatives and ultimately saving him money. To identify quality products, research brands known for their durability and read customer reviews. Look for items with strong warranties or guarantees. Pay attention to the materials and craftsmanship. Quality items often have better construction and finish. When possible, buy from reputable stores or directly from the manufacturer to ensure authenticity. Number 5. Seeking discounts and deals. Frugal people habitually seek out sales, discounts, and use coupons to stretch their dollars further. They are always on the lookout for ways to save money on everyday purchases, making the most of every opportunity to cut costs. Take Maria, for example. She managed to save hundreds of dollars each month by diligently hunting for deals. Maria subscribed to newsletters from her favorite stores, used apps that alerted her to sales, and clipped digital coupons. Her biggest success was saving $500 on a family vacation by combining various discounts and deals. To find the best deals, sign up for newsletters from retailers, follow deal websites, and use apps like Honey or Rakuten that automatically find discounts. Check out clearance sections and shop during major sales events like Black Friday or end-of-season sales. Always compare prices online before making a purchase to ensure you're getting the best deal. Number 6. Reducing waste. Frugal people emphasize minimizing waste and reusing items, which not only helps the environment but also leads to significant savings. By reducing waste, they avoid unnecessary purchases and make the most out of what they already have. Consider Jane, who decided to minimize waste in her household. She started composting kitchen scraps, repurposing glass jars for storage, and mending clothes instead of buying new ones. Over a year, Jane noticed a significant reduction in her grocery and household expenses, saving an estimated $600 by reusing and repurposing items. To reduce waste in daily life, start by buying only what you need and using reusable bags, containers, and water bottles. Repurpose old items for new uses, such as turning worn-out clothes into cleaning rags. Compost organic waste to reduce garbage and create nutrient-rich soil for gardening. Repair items before considering replacements and buy secondhand whenever possible. Number 7. Cooking at home. Frugal individuals often prepare meals at home instead of eating out, significantly reducing their food expenses. Cooking at home allows them to control ingredients, portion sizes, and overall spending. Meet Alex, who used to spend a large portion of his budget on dining out. Realizing the impact on his finances, he committed to cooking at home. By meal planning and cooking in batches, Alex reduced his monthly food expenses by over $200. Not only did he save money, but he also improved his cooking skills and ate healthier meals. For easy and affordable meals, try recipes like one-pot pasta, stir-fries, and slow-cooker soups. Plan your meals for the week, make a grocery list, and stick to it. Utilize leftovers creatively to avoid waste. Explore simple recipes online or in cookbooks focused on budget-friendly cooking. Batch cooking on weekends can save time during busy weekdays. Number 8. Energy efficiency. Frugal people save on utility bills by being energy efficient. They adopt habits and make home improvements that reduce energy consumption, lowering their monthly expenses while also benefiting the environment. Consider Tom, who wanted to reduce his high energy bills. He started by switching to LED bulbs, sealing windows and doors to prevent drafts, and using programmable thermostats to optimize heating and cooling. Additionally, he invested in energy-efficient appliances. These changes led to a 25% reduction in his energy costs, saving him hundreds of dollars annually. To save energy, switch to LED light bulbs, unplug devices when not in use, and use power strips to manage multiple electronics. Seal windows and doors to prevent drafts, and use programmable thermostats to control heating and cooling efficiently. Opt for energy-efficient appliances and consider using ceiling fans to reduce air conditioning usage. Regularly maintain HVAC systems to ensure they run efficiently. Number 9. Investing in experiences over things. Frugal individuals often prefer spending money on experiences rather than material possessions. They find greater value and lasting happiness in creating memories rather than accumulating things that may lose their appeal over time. Take Sophie, who had the option to buy a new designer handbag or go on a weekend trip with friends. She chose the trip, where she hiked, explored a new city, and bonded with her friends. The memories and joy from that experience far outweighed the temporary satisfaction a new handbag would have provided. Sophie realized that experiences enriched her life in ways material items could not. For budget-friendly experiences, consider activities like hiking, camping, attending local festivals, or exploring nearby towns. Take advantage of free community events, use discount sites for deals on activities, and plan group outings to share costs. Engaging in hobbies, learning new skills, and spending time with loved ones can also provide fulfilling experiences without breaking the bank. Number 10. Continuous learning and adaptation. Frugal people understand the importance of continuously learning about personal finance and adapting their habits. They stay informed about new strategies, tools, and resources to improve their financial well-being. Consider Kevin, who started his frugality journey by cutting unnecessary expenses. Over time, he read books, attended workshops, and followed personal finance blogs. This continuous learning helped him discover new ways to save, such as investing in low-cost index funds and using cashback apps. Kevin's evolving knowledge and adaptable mindset led to greater financial stability and growth. To learn about frugality and personal finance, read books like Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin, follow blogs like Mr. Money Mustache, and listen to podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show. Take online courses on platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy. Join personal finance communities and forums to share tips and experiences. Regularly review and adjust your financial habits to stay on track with your goals. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.